Hello student, this is Dr. S. Muthukumaravel, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Patrician College of Arts and Science. Welcome to Pandit Nadesan YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about cash budget part 1. Cash budget means the cash budget is a statement of receipt and payment of cash during a specific time. It is a statement of cash inflow and its outflow during a specific time. Now discuss about the question. Prepare cash budget for the month of April to June and company wishes to arrange overdraft facilities. Sales, purchase and wages values are given in month wise. The first adjustment, 50% of credit sales is realized in the month following and another 50% in the second month following. So we calculate credit sales first. Calculation of credit sales. Particular year given February, March, April, May and June. 1,80,000 for February. Next 1,92,000 for March, 1,08,000 for April, 1,70,000 for 74,000 for May, 1,26,000 for June. The sum given 50% and another 50%. So first we divide first 50%. 50% of 1,80,000 we will get 90,000. Next also 50%, so 90,000 only. 50% of 1,92,000 you will get 96,000. Second also you are 96,000. 50% of 1,08,000 is 54,000. 50% of 1,74,000 is 87,000. 50% of 1,26,000 is 63,000. Another also 50%, so same total comes 63,000. Now the calculation part. 50% in the month following, that means 1 month. 1 month, that means the first 50%, February 90,000 is transferred to March. First month dash, next one 90,000. 96,000 transferred to April. This 54,000 is transferred to May. 87,000 transferred to June. Because the sum given month following the sales, it means 1 month. Another 50% is second month following. The particular sales is transferred to 2 month. That means February 90,000 is transferred to April. So we will write February dash, next one March also dash, April you transfer amount to 90,000. March 96,000 transferred to May. So we will write 96,000. 54,000 transferred to June. April month 54,000 transferred to June. Sum given April, May, June only. So April, May, June. 96,000 plus 90,000 you will get 1,86,000. 54,000 plus 96,000 you will get 1,50,000. Next one 87,000 plus 54,000 you will get 1,41,000. The calculation part is over. Now work out the solution. Cash budget for the month of April to June. Particular April, May, June. In this sum opening balance of cash is given. So mention opening balance of cash $25,000 for April. Add receipt. The sum given only for credit sales. We already done the calculation portion. 1,86,000 for April. Credit sales 1,86,000 for April. 1,50,000 for May. And last one 1,41,000 for June. There is no income detail in the sum, so you will add 25,000 and 1,86,000. You will get 2,11,000. This 2,11,000 is total receipt within bracket A. Next heading payment. The sum given creditors and wages are given. So first we'll calculate creditors. The sum given 1 month purchase. Creditors are paid in the month following the month. That means February 1,24,800 is transferred to March. March 1,44,000 is transferred to April. Now you write April month 1,44,000. Next one 2,43,000. Next one 2,46,000 for June. Next wages. The sum given wages are paid at the end of respective month. It means the amount paid that month itself. That means April 11,000. You will write directly the month of April 11,000. 10,000 for May. 15,000 for June. There is no other information for expenses. So now we add total payment within bracket B. Now we add 1,44,000 plus 11,000. You will get 1,55,000. Next one 2,43,000 plus 10,000. You will get 2,53,000. Next one 2,46,000 plus 15,000. You will get 2,61,000. Sum is not given for closing balance. Now we calculate closing balance of cash. Closing balance of cash. C equal to A minus B. 2,11,000 minus 1,55,000. You will get 56,000. April closing balance is transferred to May opening balance. So we'll write opening balance of May is 56,000. Now 56,000 plus 1,50,000. You will get 2,06,000. Now 2,06,000 minus 2,53,000. You will get negative 47,000. That means overdraft. already the sum given OD facility. This 47,000 closing balance of May is nothing but June opening balance. The negative amount 47,000 and positive one 1,41,000. Now we will get 94,000 for total receipt in the month of June. Now the cash balance, closing cash balance 94,000 minus 2,61,000, you will get minus 1,67,000. This is also overdraft. That's all about answer for this sum. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.